Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the security tricks on VIVO X300 Pro. Alright, let's begin with setting up our screen lock, because that's the key level of our security. To do it, we need to open up the settings. Now scroll down a little until you find security and privacy. Now click on device unlocking, click on the screen lock, and select the type. We have pattern, pin, or the complex password. It's up to you which mode you want to use. In my case, I will use the pattern. Now, as you can see, we have those 9 dots on the screen and we need to connect at least 4 of them to create our pattern. So simply draw it. If you want to try again, click on clear. If you want to confirm, click on next, and now redraw your pattern to save it. Then click on OK. Alright, and now our screen lock has been successfully set. We can also enable the fingerprint unlock and face unlock. Let's go with the fingerprint. I'll show you how to set it. First, we need to draw our current lock screen. Now select use fingerprint for unlock. Click on Enroll now. And now place your finger on that sensor. We don't need to lift it up. We just need to simply move left and right. I'm also highly impressed that this fingerprint, the enrollment of it is really comfortable in comparison to other devices. In here it works really smooth. Okay, we can also use our fingerprint for the privacy password if you want. But it's up to you. If you want, you can change the icon of your lock screen. Of your fingerprint, I'm sorry. And when the fingerprint gets recognized, we can also change the animation, if you are interested in that. Alright, when it comes to the face unlock, setting it is also really easy. All you need to do is to simply place your face inside that frame to save it. It is really easy, but in my case, I'm not going to set it. Alright, now let's try how both features work. So let's begin with the fingerprint, with the screen lock. Simply draw it, boom. You can see that it works just fine. Now let's do the same thing, but with the fingerprint. Place your finger on that circle, boom, and the phone gets unlocked almost immediately. When it comes to the screen lock settings, if you are interested, you can enable to show the pattern. Alright, from here let's go also into the theft protection, because this feature is also pretty useful. As we scroll down, we have things such as theft detection lock and the offline device lock. Enabling both of those features is really useful, and I highly recommend you to do it. Let's begin with the theft detection lock, and now how it works. Someone abruptly takes your device, then speeds away, your screen locks. So it's also a cool thing. And offline device lock. Thieves often turn off internet service immediately, so no one can track the device they have stolen, so it's also worth enabling. Down below we have remote lock and find and erase your device feature. Let's go with the remote lock first. We can enable that, but in my case it won't work yet because I don't have my SIM card inserted. But if you have, everything will go just fine. Now how it works. When remote lock is on, you can lock your device remotely if it gets lost or stolen. Also really convenient feature. How it works, we need to visit that page, android.com/lock, and all we need to do is to enter our phone number to lock the screen. No sign in or Google account needed. Also really useful thing. Down below, as a last feature, we have Find Hub. We need to make sure that Allow Device to be Located feature is enabled, and we also need to turn on device location to use that feature. Okay, and now we have 2 ways to use the Find Hub. We have the app or the website. Let's go with the web. And now, very important thing. You can see this menu, but basically, when your device gets lost or stolen, we need to repeat that process on any other device. You can also, for example, use your PC or laptop for that. You need to visit the Find Hub, and then you need to log in into the same Google account into which you were logged in on your lost or stolen VIVO. Then you will see that list. Then all you need to do is to locate your VIVO. Simply tap on that, and in here you'll have possibility to lock it or even perform a factory reset, so no one will have the access to your data. Currently the option for the lock is not available. Maybe in the Oppo it will. Yeah, in here we have the remote lock above. Before it was right in here. I think that there was an update, so it has changed. The remote lock is now above. So that's when it comes to the Find Hub, also pretty useful thing. Let's get back. And let's click on Account Security, and let's click on Google Account Security first. To see is everything okay right in here. If something will be wrong, you will see notification. In my case, I need to fix my recovery mail. I have information about it, so I will do it later. All I need to do is to click on Fix Email. So it's always good to check from time to time, is everything okay right in here. And same thing with the VIVO Account Security. Also everything is fine. To check it, you need to be logged into your VIVO account. Okay, now let's go into App Security and Google Play Protect. Let's perform a scan to see do we have some potential threats on our device. As you can see, in my case, everything is fine. If something would be wrong, simply follow the instruction on the screen to solve the problems. It is really easy, and I'm sure that you can handle it. Now let's perform a security scan. Also worth doing from time to time. In here, it's going to search for viruses. If you want, you can enable the automatic security scan. It's up to you. In my case, I don't want it. And as you can see, everything is fine. Worth doing from time to time, for example, once a week. Okay, in here, everything is okay. So we can close that up. And now let's open up the iManager. In here, you can also perform that security scan that I have shown you like 2 seconds ago. As we scroll down and click on Utility Tools, we have the isolation box under security things, but I'm wondering, do we have something more? No, we don't. So let's click on the isolation box. In here, we can check apps without risks. And we also have the payment safe that we can enable. But I think that we should have one more thing. I'm wondering what it is. I think that I need to perform a scan once again. Yeah. We have the app encryption. We need to click on View, verify with your fingerprint. And in here, you have possibility to simply hide your apps. Not hide, I'm sorry, to lock them with your screen lock and also the fingerprint. Above we have app lock time. Currently it's set on after the screen is locked, but we can select one of those methods. So for example, after the screen is locked or app is closed, or 1 minute after the screen is locked or app is closed. I'll select the second option. And now in here you can encrypt those apps from the list. So let's say I will encrypt, for example, the Instagram. So now, if someone will want to open it up, boom, the only thing to open the Instagram is by using the fingerprint or by typing the password. Boom, and that's the only way. Also really useful feature. Okay, if you want, from the Play Store, you can download some third-party antiviruses apps for an extra security level, but in my personal opinion, the antivirus which is provided by the iManager, the security scan, is pretty okay. But of course, if you want, you can download more. Also, you should avoid downloading things from your browser, because there's a higher chance that you would download a virus. But of course, everything is up to you. If you have to download something from the browser, you are doing it on your own, so simply remember about it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.